Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 7.2, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up the Contacts app, the standalone version of it right here. Let's just skip the signing in, and from here tap on three dots, go to Settings, and at the bottom we should have Import. And it gives you a couple options right here, so import contacts from, VCF file, if you have a backup in a file format then you can use that, but right now we're doing it through SIM card. So let's select SIM card, tap on OK, and automatically shows you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card that is in the device. So from here, deselect the contacts that you might not want just by simply tapping on it, and once you have every contact that you want selected, tap on the check mark, 3 SIM contacts imported, and you're basically done. You can see they're now all visible here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.